Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really to know you are.
Okay, guys, so this came while I was out of the house, so I'm gonna see what I got. Going by tested and trusted, I would stick to my Nivea lotion. But if you have some more, I'm gonna start using like more bougie body lotion. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. I do have a copy that is on my wish list that I want to get next time I go into Harrods. Let me check. Finance. I'm just opening up my notes folder, going into finance and shopping. Yeah, so it's called Sanctuary and Versace Bright. So I find they smell really good. So I want to try those next. But I love the texture of Nivea. It's just perfect. I love Nivea. Yeah, I can't wait to try these products. By the way, I'm going to do another vlog just trying the different products that I got today. So I got this vanilla lip mask from Boots. I can't wait to try this as well. It's a Boots brand as well. In more sheet mask, and it, of course, again that time of the year. And finally, I have my receipts. Usually I'm always like, oh, I don't want to see the damage. But this time around, I stopped my budget, baby. Check that. Finance girl. Okay, so I bought these. Like, I'm so big on scent. So I got this automatic refill for the bathroom and the cat litter space. And then I got this for everywhere in the house. Like, I love scent. I'm so big on scent. I love taking my olfactory nerves on essential journey. Like, even with at home, I love playing with essential oils. Like, I have so many. So this one is Millionaire Girl. Like, I have so many. I have lavender for bedtime. I just have so many essential oils. Soy candles as well. Apparently regular candles causes cancer, so I'm trying to stay away from them. Soy candles are more expensive, but you know, health first. Okay, this has been a long vlog. I'm tired of talking. I'm going to do my lash and brow lift by myself now at home. It's just one of the little ways that I like to save money. And then I guess I'll be ready then. I'll be ready for my awards. That's all my beauty maintenance done after I do my lash and brow lift. So, see you soon.